We're here today at 5353 Dam Site off of Upper Canyon Rim Drive at a 2.44 acre piece of bare land that has been semi-developed. All the roads are in, all the driveway and turnarounds, extensive turnarounds, all graveled. And this property also has 3 concrete block buildings. One of them, straight ahead, is a storage building, also intended for future mechanical room. There's actually an area outside for the generator, concrete area with the bricks around. And there are 2 trailers that go with the property, being sold with the property, no value. Excellent location, great views, able to accommodate quite a few guests, friends, family. They have a fire pit installed and some brick pavers in front of this trailer. Behind it is the second of the 2 buildings, which houses the cistern. Metal roofs on all 3 of these buildings. Excellent quality. There's an area behind the cistern, a little play area for the kiddos. And then the 3rd building is the outhouse. And this one is pretty darn nice. We have an outside fire pit area as well during the season when you can have outdoor fires. This would be one that you would definitely want to take a look at. They've done a nice job. See you on the web.